Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to sell in WhatsApp groups. Let's get started. WhatsApp groups can help your business gather your potential and regular customers together to create meaningful and relevant discussion free of spam. Groups can be set to public so that it can be open to other WhatsApp users to join, or you can set it to private. To keep your group from spam users, it is best to set it to private. You can also add up to 256 members who can share the same interests in joining the group. To create a new group, go to your WhatsApp business app. Tap on the three dots and select New Group. You must select your contacts that you want to add to your group. You may notice the total number of people that you have added in this section. Next, type your group subject here, then add a photo of your group. It's possible to search the web for a photo or upload one from your gallery. Now this is the group that you have created. This is how your group members will view your group. If you tap on the top part of the group chat window, you can see the group chat's photo, the group name, and you may add a description. Below, you can see the number of participants and the group members who are the group admin. You can assign group members and make them an admin. Also, this is where you can select a member to remove inside the group chat. Inside your group, you can send individual products from your catalog. Just tap on the file icon and select Catalog. Then select the products that you want to send to your group. Anyone in the group will be enticed to click on your product and view it inside your catalog. They can be intrigued about your product and make a purchasing decision. As they click on the product that you have added, they can message your business about the product or add it to their cart. If they view their cart, they can view the list of items added, edit the quantity, remove an item, or add more items from the catalog. They can send their cart to your WhatsApp business number and you'll be able to view all the products that they wish to purchase. From there, you may provide instructions or what they can expect after you process their purchase. You can create a WhatsApp group, especially if you have built your social media presence, having hundreds or thousands of followers. You can share your WhatsApp business number so that they can add you in their WhatsApp contacts list. Then you can start to invite and add them inside a WhatsApp group that you have created. Make sure that you communicate with your group members when they start being part of your WhatsApp group. Create meaningful interactions, such as asking them about their experiences or feedback with the products that they have purchased from your business. Ask them for photos or if they want some features to have some improvement. This way, you are taking into account your members' opinion about the product's improvement. Once you keep a continuous engagement with your group members, they will look forward to your future product promotions. WhatsApp groups can be used to add your leads and convert them as your regular customers. Your regular customers who have already purchased your products can help inspire and encourage new members who haven't purchased your products yet to try your products and make a purchasing decision. You can also join WhatsApp groups that are intended for buyers and sellers. You can search for WhatsApp groups in Google that you can join. Take note that there can be group rules that you need to abide by depending on the group owner. Make sure to join groups that are relevant to your product's niche and see if you can promote your products in that group. Next, keep the promotions and links to your products to a minimum. Your group members are using WhatsApp mostly to connect with their friends and family via the instant messaging app. They probably have joined your WhatsApp group since they trust your brand and are always looking forward to your new updates. If you keep your product updates or promotions for about less than 5 links or promotions per day, your group members will not be overwhelmed by the number of promotions that you will send inside the group. Spamming your group members will only cause them to leave your WhatsApp group, and you don't want that to happen. As an admin, you must be cautious in monitoring your group members since some WhatsApp users are only joining groups to spam the group. When the group admin notices its members that they are continuously sending spam content, they must make a firm decision to remove these spam users. WhatsApp groups can be a great tool that you can use for gaining your members' trust to promote your products. You can even join groups that are selling products depending on the niche that they are targeting. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.